Here's the new body. It's my Blackfoot. Old and beat up. Made a custom front grille out of a Hummer front end. Pretty neat. Body's still in the process of being made. Got some crappy plastic in there. Just kind of shoved in and glued in to seal it up. Lots of reinforcing. I got some metal tape. Hi, baby. And I'm also possibly going to run droop setup. Experimenting with it today or tomorrow. But until I get a more powerful motor, I got this Red Cat one in here. It still wasn't powerful enough for them big tires. So I'm just running it like this for now until I can get like a 45 turn. And probably a big old BEC from Castle. Enjoy.